Hello, I'm Jason McDaniel with Olympus Controls, and I'd like to show you our new Panasonic A5 series servo solution for your OSSID Tray Wrapper machine. If you've already upgraded with the OEM's A5 solution kit, ours is exactly the same hardware set with our own configuration. It's been tested to work successfully. Each drive will come with a parameter list and instructions on how to install the system and set it up. It consists of our standard A5 servo amplifier, an MSME 82 series servo motor, and then your motor power and feedback cable sets. And I'd like to take a minute to show you our solution in more detail. So here's our A5 drive and motor kit. The power cable for the motor is simply going to be connected here, and with 4 screws you can screw down the IP67 rated connector. So this is a great addition prior to the previous older A series drive. Our A4 series solution we put on watertight CPC connectors. However, on the A5 solution, Panasonic has come out with their own IP67 sealed connectors that are directly on the motor. So then we put our feedback cable on, and once you screw down these connections, then the motor is ready to go. And all you have to do is make the connections to your drive and power it on. The next step is to then connect the cables to the amplifier. Here's our feedback cable. It just plugs into X6. And then our motor power cable. It plugs into the terminals here. And the color code is provided in the manual that comes with the kit. And we simply plug in there, and your ground wire would terminate to the screw terminal here. The final step, of course, is to apply AC power. We'll provide AC power to the amplifier. In this case, we're on 120 volts. However, on your system, for the 230 or 220 volts, we have wiring configuration to show that. So when you power up the system, you can immediately see there are no errors. You get a 0 showing the velocity of the motor. The final step is to now configure your amplifier for the given axis. As you can see from our instruction manual, there's only 3 parameters that are required to change from one axis to another. The unit will come pre-configured for a cutter axis with these parameters. The full parameter list is also included in case there are any questions. So side belt, end, film, and infeed only require 3 parameter changes to configure for a different axis. Just like on previous versions, it's very easy to change the axis. For example, if we wanted to change parameter 8 from a cutter to a side belt, we'd simply hit set, mode, and then we'd go to parameter 8, and we'd hit set, and then we would scroll over and we would change our value to a unit of 5,000 in this case, for say a side belt. We'd hold the set button, then we'd hit the M button, then we'd scroll up, hit set again, and then hold down the up arrow until that flashes and you get a reset. Now you would power cycle the amplifier, and when it comes back up, it'll be reconfigured for that parameter. Again, this is the same as on previous axes or versions, so you're already familiar with this concept. That's all that's required. In this case, we'd also change parameter 11 and 5.3, and we would be reconfigured. So that concludes our introduction of our Panasonic A5 series solution for your OSSID Tray Wrapper machine. Again, we're offering complete kits for upgrading old systems, or our new solution will drop in as MRO parts into existing upgraded systems that already include the OEM A5 solution. Again, each kit will come with the instructions and setting parameters for each one. It's very easy to change between axes. We also have a demo inventory of parts that we can come in and help set up on your machine and prove our solution out to you before you buy it. So if you'd like to do that, please contact us. Thank you very much.